I had a lovely little drone, and every chance I had, I flew it high, up to the sky, until it ended up badly.
Everything started a year ago, when I bought my first drone and Lola bought a camera. It happened right before our big backpacking trip through Europe. We decided to create a channel on YouTube and started a travel vlog. But on second day of our journey, something horrible happened.
Hey, what's up guys? We are in Prague and it's Retrolution Travel Vlog channel. I gonna fly now 10 meters above us to see where we are. Woo!
It's gonna be okay.
Quite a silly story. Causing suspicion of espionage, I spent the whole day at the police station. Almost the whole trip we were recording only with a camera and phone. 2 months later, being in Spain, I got a message from the police. I paid my fine and at least at the end of our Europe journey, I used my drone. Next few months I flew my drone each time it was possible. I admire seeing everything from the bird-eye perspective. Everything was great, until one day when we were recording my hometown at night. Having fast takeoff, I didn't notice a tree branch.
Oh no!
1, 2, 3, 4, and leg. Being sure that sending the drone to the DJI repair service is a waste of time, I decided to fix it by my own. Also having in mind the incoming trip to the Ukrainian Carpathian mountain, I didn't have time for ordering cracked parts. I decided to give a chance to my golden hands and super glue. To be honest, I wouldn't recommend you to do it that way. If you have time and a bit of money, you would better not play with aerodynamics of your drone. It's much safer to order cracked parts from Amazon or even replica from AliExpress. Eventually, I got it. A bit ugly and maybe looking untrustworthy, but surprisingly the drone could fly almost half a year. Each story has an end, and my drone isn't an exception. It happened suddenly when we were in the middle of Lycian Way in Turkey.
Something bad have just happened. We don't know what's going on with the drone because we tried to record these views, but was not possible. Seems like a sensor has some problems, so from now seems like no more drone videos.
That will do for today's video. If you are curious whether I redecorated the aircraft or throw it, let me know in the comment below. And see you in the next episode!